Wondering what the top Etsy searches trending in Q4 were? While the 2024 selling season is still fresh in your mind, give this a watch. We'll show you the highest ranked keywords for October to December 2024. Then we'll analyse what these tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, or if you prefer to read, pop over there. In this report, I'll be using the updated beta version of eRank's keyword tool. Did you know, as well as Etsy's keyword data, you can also see keyword trends for a number of marketplaces, including Google Shopping and Facebook Marketplace. Jan even dives into the trends on Amazon and eBay for you over on the blog. Here's the top 20 shopper searches October to December 2024. And as ever, beware of trademark terms here. Now, we love analysing these quarterly lists. They're useful because they provide a high-level overview of current trends. We get to confirm which searches are still mainstays, consistent quarter to quarter. And it's fun to check in with 2024's hottest fads. Were they just a fleeting fancy, or might we spot the start of the next mid-century modern or minimalist trend? Spoiler, sadly no. Here's the mainstays. These Q1 to Q2 to Q3 top Etsy searches still ranked high in Q4. Back in Q2, there were 9 top 20 keywords that had also made Q1's top 20. By Q3, 3/4 the way through 2024, we were down to 7 mainstays. For the whole year, there are 5 still standing, based on all 4 quarterly top 20 lists. Here are 2020's all-quarter mainstays. They are in order by their Q4 rank, followed by their ranks in Q3, then Q2, then Q1. And honourable mentions. These are the 2 that made each quarter's top 20 up until Q4. The first runner-up, number 28, is home decor, and it is still trending. 2024 didn't get a repeat of that enormous spike home decor had back in November, December 2023. The highest home decor reached in this past year was actually last January, but it was heading up in December. Maybe it will continue to climb this month. We'll let you know. And the second runner-up was furniture. This one too is currently trending on Etsy. Under our watch, furniture hasn't climbed as high as home decor, but it's been an Etsy top 20 frequent flyer in the US and several other countries. And in 15 months, the lowest furniture searches got in a month was 24,780 searches in June. And that was still a lot. Furniture's got a 12-month click-through rate of 99% and 100% for Q4. So if you're looking for what to sell on Etsy, this is a niche worth researching. And speaking of click-through rates, for Q4, let's do our first ever quarterly click-through rate roundup. We'll analyse Q4's top 250 keywords, find out what their quarterly click-through stats tell us about what's been selling best on Etsy, because click-through rate can show purchase intent. But first, we'll take a look at each of 2024's all-quarter mainstays. Q4's number 4 was wall art. Wall art was number 1 in both Q1 and Q2, and number 2 in Q3. And as we discovered in our annual review, it was 2024's number 1. So we need to look at this Etsy favourite. In 15 months, the lowest this search has gone was in May, when it had 78,800 searches. Its average 12-month click-through rate is 97%. For Q4, it's 96%. So don't let that Etsy competition stat intimidate you, because wall art is such a roomy category. Just about any of us could find a niche for ourselves here. Jan gave a great example of how to niche down in the blog. That is, how to find the hidden gems by digging into the related keywords in the chart below these graphs. In the beta version of the keyword tool, I can filter by only keywords with below 10,000 competition, and then click the search trend column to see what keywords were popular in the past month. Check out these gems. Skateboard wall art really could have potential if you fit into that niche. Have a keyword list, watch it for a while before you go investing time or materials. Because its 15-month search trend performance is spotty, so you want to keep an eye to see if it improves. Jan even found some more keywords for you, and I'm loving that moss wall art panels seem to be popular again. Quarter 4's number 5, earrings. Earrings is the one keyword that in our year's reporting on them has never left the Etsy US top 20. That isn't the case for every country and every month, but for the US, the one we've covered here the longest, it is. And on 2024's top Etsy searches list, earrings took 6th place. And it's got a honey of an average click-through rate, 107%. Calculated for quarter 4, it's even higher, 109%. That is a lot of purchase intent. Earrings is a solid subcategory, and while competition is breathtaking, in practice you can sell. You just need to offer something niche. Take heart that in fact earrings are an item that many people love to have more of. Also, with earrings and jewellery in general, buyers who like what you offer may be back for more. Some might even become collectors of your work. Quarter 4's number 6, stickers. A while back, we Googled to find out when stickers begin trending. Some sources claimed it's been 100 or more years, and it could be because adhesive paper was invented in 1839. They've certainly been trending on Etsy. Stickers took 4th place on 2024's top Etsy searches list, and we see no sign of this trend slowing anytime soon. Quarter 4's number 8, jewellery. It ranked 7th overall on 2024's top Etsy searches list and made it to every monthly top 20 in 2024. It's not the performer of the previous 3, wall art, earrings and stickers, but does it need to be? Because what mere mortal can rank for jewellery on Etsy? It's way too broad and too competitive. Rather, its usefulness is in helping us gauge Etsy shopper interest in this category. As we see here, and by its appearance in every top 20 list, there is sustained enthusiasm for jewellery on Etsy. There always has been. And so jewellery's always been the category that people decry as the most saturated. Tons of competition. And that's true. Nearly 13 million listings are using the keyword jewellery in the US. Here's what you need to know though. This doesn't mean your jewellery won't sell, even if you're new. Start by researching to identify a low competition niche, or a niche within a niche. Then offer a quality product packaged well and shipped on time. Promote as best you can and keep working on your search engine optimization and your product photography. Very important. And you can do it. Quarter 4's number 14, rings. More proof. Out of the 5 keywords that made every quarterly's top 20 in 2024, 3 are jewellery. That should tell you just how consistently popular with Etsy shoppers jewellery is. And here's rings. It ranked 9th overall in 2024's top Etsy searches list for the year. It got over 671,000 shopper searches, and that was just for the plural form. Ring singular got close to 440,000, so don't be daunted by the naysayers and the competition. We checked Ring's keyword ideas table. One to watch should be chunky rings, and fidget rings got 4,380 searches in December. Its average click-through rate is 104%, and competition is just 5,043. Others appear to be promising too, so if you're here for ideas of what to sell, have a look here. And for lots more ideas, up next, your insider access to the first ever quarterly click-through rate roundup. Here's quarter 4's top Etsy searches with more than 125% click-through rate. Of all the online marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with high click-through rate. But that said, even on Etsy, click-through rates above 125% are rare. Keep in mind too that these calculations are drawn exclusively from their October to December data. Therefore, regardless of what their 12-month click-through rates are, some of these keywords will still be popular with shoppers now. Then add the seasonal searches to a keyword list to revisit ahead of the 2025 holiday shopping season. Consider creating separate keyword lists for searches that were probably for gifts. Then you can check on these periodically to see whether they trend ahead of other gift giving holidays: Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, graduations, and Father's Day, and Christmas 2025. We hope some of these prove to be profitable leads for you. And one last thing, some of these shopper searches could cause an Etsy seller problems, whether they're protected by intellectual property rights or prohibited by Etsy. Please look before you leap. Jan dug all the way into the top 250 keywords, but for now we're off to discover what's trending on Amazon. And we always love hearing what you think about trends or anything else you'd like to talk about. You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group with over 28,000 members from around the world. Someone friendly is always up and about.